Here's a 2022 Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Pulse racing performance takes Giulia a step ahead of conventional luxury, while its stylish, high-quality looks create admirers everywhere it goes. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and heated leather bucket seats. Alfa Romeo has a storied history of building racetrack-inspired vehicles for the street. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.